Peggy Ann invested a certain amount of money for 1 year and earned $72 in interest. Sally Jean invested $240 more than Peggy Ann at an interest rate that was 5/6 of the rate given to Peggy Ann, but she earned the same amount of interest. Find the principal and the interest rate of Peggy Ann's investment. Let's begin by familiarizing ourselves with the problem. And we need to assign variables to the numbers that we're looking for. Let's let x equal the amount Peggy Ann invested, and we'll let r equal her interest rate. Now, we were told that Sally Jean invested $240 more than Peggy Ann, so x plus 240 will be the amount that Sally Jean invested, and her interest rate was 5/6 of Peggy Ann's interest rate, or 5/6 r. Now, the amount of interest that Peggy Ann is going to earn from her investment is the principal x times the interest rate r times the time of the investment, which is 1 year, or just x times r. And the amount of interest that Sally Jean will earn is also her principal, which is x plus $240, times her interest rate, which is 5/6 times r, times the time, which is 1 year, or just x plus 240 times 5/6 r. Now, let's use this information to translate to a system of equations. Peggy Ann's interest is this amount, and this is Sally Jean's. This is what we just determined. And we know that they each earned $72 in interest. So this tells us that x times r is equal to 72, and also that x plus 240 times 5/6 r is equal to 72. Their amounts of interest were the same. So this is the system of equations that we're going to solve. This is the third step in our problem-solving process. We're going to solve this system of equations. And I'm going to use the substitution method. I'm going to solve the first equation for x. And when I do that, I get x is equal to 72 over r, dividing by r on both sides. And now I'm going to substitute 72 over r for x in the second equation and solve for r. So I would have 72 over r plus 240 times 5/6 r is equal to 72. When I multiply this quantity by 5/6 r, what I get is 60 plus 200 r. That's equal to 72. Subtract 60 on both sides, and we have 200 r equals 12. And divide both sides by 200, and we get r is equal to 0.06, or expressing it as a percent, 6%. Now let's use this equation to find x, the amount that was invested. X is equal to 72 over r, and I'm going to express r in decimal notation to do this. 72 divided by 0.06, and when I do that computation, I get that x is equal to 1,200. So the numbers that we're getting are that Peggy Ann invested $1,200 at 6% interest, and let's check that. Step number 4. If she invested $1,200 at 6% interest, or 0.06, for 1 year, the amount of interest earned would be 1,200 times 0.06 times 1, which is $72. So the answer checks, and we can state the result. Peggy Ann invested $1,200 at 6% interest.